You can take these guys, use the select path function, and keep on going like this. And once done, you'll convert that to points, and you'll say create open curve. Well, what you'll get after some modification is something like this. You can use, for example, you select the curve here and use add points to create some additional points here. I'm not really sure if that was necessary, but anyway, we got that curve. The kind of like important thing now is to do this the right way. Go here. What we'll do is, well, first let's just go to another layer, and we'll actually use we'll use that as a background. The important thing is that this should be somewhat the thickness of the yellow stripes. Yeah, let's just call that yellow. The thing though is that you have to make it in this top plane and then move that to the center. Press F1 to move that to the center. And next step is to let's see. Yeah, we have it here, and then we'll run uniform lengths, or I mean rail extrude. The thing though is that how long is this? Well, it is, for automotive detail, we go to absolute measure and we'll find 10.9 meters. What I'll do is I'll use rail extrude and this 10.9 and add a 0. So that's going to be uniform lengths. So that's a good way, if I create another path, to just use that value. If, for example, if I measure that other path to be 545, then I pretty much know what to punch in here to get the same lengths on the yellow stripes. However, I'm also going to divide this by 2. So that's going to be 545. We're in a light start. Okay. So you'll see here that we got the stripes. I'm going to get rid of, let's see if I can get rid of that somewhat automatically, yes. So take these and we'll just hit delete. Now take these guys, loop, invert, delete. So this is slightly above that line now, or the Y height, so I'm going to smack it down on the Y axis. Y axis plus, okay, there we go. What I'll do next is I'll say edge, 2 polygons, click that, and this is where you kind of like choose the gap between the yellow stripes. You could create, copy this to a new layer and do this twice, use background to morph and create a inner morph that will morph between 2 different gap distances, so you can adjust it later on, but I'm just going to go the regular way about it, just create a gap. So I'm going to use chamfer, and I think the distance here is 1 millimeter, maybe. Hit tab. It's applying that to 500 polys, so it does take more time. Okay, so there we go. I think that's a good distance. Of course, this is, I should have done this to true scale, but anyway. Convert that to a polygon selection and invert, and I'm going to call the yellow gaps the yellow gap. Actually, I could just take those and paste those into another layer. I don't think I will need them, but anyway. You know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it for now because let's just move this up slightly. Yeah, maybe I want to adjust the thickness of this, and there's no really super easy way to do that in LightWave. Well, I could thicken it, but you know what? There is a way to do it that is fairly good, fairly okay. And we'll loop this and just make that a backup object. Okay, so loop this, and we're going to cut it. So how much you want to cut this? Maybe you want it to be something like this. Let's see, if I edit this one. Yeah. Let's put it like 0.75. And let's mirror it. Hit OK. And in this case, I could keep them and make them transparent, but I'm just going to delete them, just so you can like see what's going on. But yeah, you could do this in Photoshop, but I prefer to do this in LightWave. I'm just going to delete the yellow gaps here, so move them to another layer or whatever. Yeah. So that's how you can create these gaps here.